Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and today I'm going to be reviewing this Craftsman 88-piece made in the USA mechanics tool set. Thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to be reviewing this Craftsman 88-piece made in the USA mechanics tool set. Now, some of you may know that Craftsman was manufacturing tools briefly this summer in Texas, so these are the made in the USA tools. They did have some process issues with the manufacturing process and have since stopped and shuttered that factory in Texas, so they are no longer making tools in the USA. However, this set was made in Texas, made here in the United States. So these are currently on sale at Lowe's. So I figured I would pick these up and take a look. So we'll go ahead and take a look at this case. It is just a standard plastic blow mold case. It's red, it's got a Craftsman sticker on it. Nothing that special really. I mean, it's just a plastic case to keep your tools in. So I'll go ahead and open this up and take a look at what's inside. Alright, here we go. I'm seeing this for the first time here. Get a closer look. So on the top part we got a piece of cardboard that really can just be tossed. And then there's some sockets behind it here. Let me go ahead and get this pulled out. Alright, take the cardboard off of there. And this is the complete set. So there are 88 pieces, 54 of which are sockets. 39 are divided between the 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch drive. So you've got your 3/8 up here, got your quarters here, and those are divided between standard and metric. 15 of them are deep wells, and they're up here. And again, those 15, those are all 3/8 drive, but they are divided between standard and metric as well. Now you have 16 hex keys. They're in the upper part of the case here. Got some over here, some over here. There are 10 specialty bits. We've got 2 extensions. There's a 3-inch extension, that is the 1/4 inch drive, and a 6-inch extension, and that is a 3/8 inch drive. There are 2 ratchets, 3/8 drive and a 1/4 inch drive. There is 1 bit driver. There's 1 universal joint. There's 1 5/8 spark plug socket, and that is a 3/8 inch drive. And 1 adapter. And the adapter goes from a 3/8 to a 1/4. But what I'm really interested in are these 2 ratchets. They are made in the US, and they are 90-tooth ratchets, so these should actually be pretty smooth. Let me hold this up here by the camera. That's the 1/4 inch. And here's the 3/8. Those do sound really smooth. Now here's my 100th anniversary snap-on. This is an 80 tooth. That's a 3/8 drive. Again, let's take a listen to the Craftsman one here. Oh yeah, and it does say right there, made in the USA with global materials. Again, there's the snap-on. Here's the Craftsman 1/4 inch. And then here's my snap-on 1/4 inch. This one does sound smoother, even though it's an 80 tooth. So we'll take a look at some of these sockets here. It looks like there is a little corrosion. Not quite right. Oh, there's a little burr on the end there too that I felt right on the edge. Well, that's weird. All right. So yeah, some of these do look like there's a little corrosion on them. Let's take a look at a deep well. I don't know. Not the best quality, I'll tell you that. It says Craftsman USA on it. 3/4 inch. Just not real good on that. I mean, I don't really need more sockets. Well, I mean, I could use more, but they would be duplicates. Do I need them? Probably not. But I am curious about these ratchets, you know. I mean, these might be worth hanging on to and actually using, and you know, maybe I'll keep the set and try them out. See how they work out. I mean, they feel real sturdy. The ratchets feel real sturdy. These are really weighted nice, you know, so there is quality in these ratchets. Both of them are quite heavy, so that's nice. Craftsman. The extension does not say USA on it. And I know not all these parts, or I know not all of these are made in the US, so let's see. This one just says Craftsman. So now this does have USA stamped in it, so So yeah, looks like the sockets are all made in the U.S. The ratchets are made in the U.S. These probably aren't. These hex keys probably are not. And then these probably aren't either. So. Alright, so that is the Craftsman 88-piece made in USA mechanics tool set. So what would you do? Return it? Keep it and use it? Give it away? Leave a comment below. Let me know what you would do. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.